Knowledge expands when we seek it with focus. Let us move ahead with today's enrichment questions of chapter 2, and chapter 2 name is cubes and cube roots, guided by inspiration and clarity. So our today thought is the key to success lies not in strength but in consistency and perseverance. This is our enrichment question. So here our question number 1 is, find the cube root of 4741632 by the estimation method. Find the cube root of 4741632 by the estimation method. In this question, by estimation method, we have to make two groups, first groups and our second group, and started from the back, taking first group as 632 and rest of this is 4741 is our second group. Always take first group from the back side. So this is our answer. Now let's begin with writing answer. Now I write here first group. First group, and first group is 600. Here this is 632 is our first group, and I write here second group. So this is our 4741. 4741 is our second group. We have to take 3 digits from the back side in first group and rest of all in the second group. Only taking 3 from the back in the first group and rest of all are in the second group. Here this first group gives us ones place. This gives us ones place, and this second group gives us our tens place. This first one give us ones place and this second group give us tens place. Now in first group at ones place we have our number 2. At the ones place in 632 in first group we have the number 2. Now at we have number 2. Now at ones place we find the perfect cube which has 2 at the ones place. So it's the number 512 which has 2 at the ones place. In this question we have to find that at the ones place we have to find the perfect cube which has 2 at the this 2 at the ones place. So we find our first perfect cube which has 2 at the ones place is our 512, and we can also write it as 8 ka cube. 8 ka cube, this is equal to 512. So we get our ones place. At ones place we get our number 8. Now we have to find this from second group, that is our tens place. From first group we get our ones place, and from this second group we have to get our tens place. So at second group we have here 4741. Now we have to find the lesser perfect cube and bigger perfect cube than 4741. So 4741 is lies between 4096, this is a perfect cube, and 4917. I can also write this as, this is the perfect cube of 4096 is the perfect cube of 16 ka cube less than 4741 less than 4917 is the perfect cube of 17 ka cube. Now this 4741 is lies between 16 and 17. Now from second group we get here in the tens place this number 16. So our answer is 168 is our answer. Now move to our next question. Question number 2 of enrichment question. Now our second question is, find the volume of a cube whose surface area is 150 meter square. Find the volume of a cube whose surface area is 150 meter ka square. In this question, we have to find the volume of a cube. We have given here surface area of a cube is equal to this. Firstly, in this question, we have to know about the surface area of a cube or the formula of the surface area of a cube. Then from surface area, we calculate the side of a cube, and when we get the side of a cube, then we get the volume of a cube by applying the formula. So let's begin. Firstly, always write the given here. We have given here surface area of a cube. I write here surface area of cube, which is equal to 150 meter square. Now the formula of surface area of a cube is 6a ka square. Here a represent the side of the cube. The cube have 6 sides. So the surface area of a cube is equal to 6a ka square. Here a is side. 6a ka square, which is equal to this 150 meter ka square. This is equal to this. Now I write here a ka square is equal to, here 6 is in multiplication, it becomes in division here. In another side, 150 divided by 6. Then 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30. Then a square is equal to 25. Now I remove here square from here, and this becomes under root here, and under root square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So here a is the side. So from here we calculate the side of a cube. Now I write here side of cube, which we calculate here a is equal to 5 meter. In this question we are asked to find the volume of a cube, and I write here volume of cube, which is equal to side multiply by side multiply by side, side multiply by side multiply by side is equal to 5 meter multiply by 5 meter multiply by 5 meter. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125, and m multiply by m is equal to meter ka cube. This is our answer. So that's all in today's video.